Salam alaikum everybody and happy Eid from Arabic with Amina to those celebrating. Today we will be covering different ways to congratulate others for Eid. First off, Eid Mubarak. May your Eid be blessed. Eid Mubarak. Eid Saeed. Happy Eid. Eid Saeed. Asakum min awade. This means may you celebrate Eid again and again, or wishing that you successfully go on to witness many more Eids. Asakum min awade. The reply to such a phrase would be ينعاد علينا وعليك بالصحة والعافية, which means may it be repeated upon us and you with good health. ينعاد علينا وعليك بالصحة والعافية. Or to cut it short, you could just reply with علينا وعليك, which means may it be repeated upon us and you. كل عام وأنت بخير. May you be well every year. This phrase is not only said on Eid, but also on the New Year and on someone's birthday. كل عام وأنت بخير. Or you could say كل عام وأنت طيب, which means the same thing. The reply to either phrase would be وأنت بخير or وأنت طيب, which means and may you be well too. من العايدين. May you be among those who celebrate Eid over and over. Similar to عساكم من عواد, mentioned previously in this video. The reply to this phrase would be to say من الفائزين. May you be among those who are successful. Since Eid marks the end of increased worship and good deeds, a common phrase to say is تقبل الله منا ومنكم, which means may Allah accept from us and from you, implying that Allah accept all of our good deeds. تقبل الله منا ومنكم. Instead of applying the good deeds, you can add it to the phrase تقبل الله منا ومنكم صالح الأعمال. May Allah accept from us and from you the good deeds. تقبل الله منا ومنكم صالح الأعمال. Share these congratulations with those celebrating Eid and let them know you're thinking of them. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more. See you next time. Arabic with Amina.